Hello everyone, welcome to another video from Xlegent with Gagana Nayak. Today's topic is a very interesting topic because most of you who are watching this video might want to know how the interview goes like or what and what not to do in an interview. In case you are worried, please don't be, because we are here to make sure that you get through the interview successfully.
Let's take a look at what's there in the agenda today. Let's know about importance of first impression, tips for cracking an interview, the stuff to be carried while going for an interview.
First impression is very important in an interview. When the interviewer sees you, he must feel that you are the best person suitable for this job. So, first impression is the last impression and the lasting impression. You must do all the things you can to make sure that the interview is really rocking to you. Well, it is very important to research about the company. If you are going for an interview and if you do not know anything about the company, then the interviewer will feel that you have not done your homework properly. Hence, it becomes very important to look up the company's website in terms of who is the CEO, what are they up to, and how many branches do they have in order to get some information about the company. You might be dressed well and looking good in an interview, but if you do not have a quality folder to carry with you, then it can be an image breaker completely. So, it's very important to invest on a good portfolio to carry all your stuff like resumes, extra copies of your resumes, and all your documents which you want to showcase in the interview. Well, it's very important to dress for success. Any interview you are going for, you must be dressed in a formal attire.
For men, it is formal shirt and trousers, good as well as clean socks with a black or brown shoes. Shoes need to match with your belts and socks needs to match with your trousers. For girls, it could be a Indian formals or a western formal according to what you feel like wearing on that particular day.
Your clothes need to be ironed and they do not need to look crumbled. Please ensure that you look neat, clean and tidy. Practice makes one perfect. It is very important not to go for an interview without practicing. You can practice with any of your family members or whomever you are comfortable with. Please try to practice what or how the interview flow will be like. Now we are going to discuss certain do's and don'ts in the interview. Please be very careful while watching this particular session because we do some tiny mistakes in the interview and we do not realize it. So this particular session will teach you what to do and what not to do in the interview. So the first point is do stay calm. In the interview, it is full of jittery moments. You feel butterflies in your stomach. You feel very anxious. You feel very nervous. But at the same time, you should also calm yourself down. It is also very important. So do some of the breathing exercises so as to compose yourself and calm yourself for the interview. Do prepare a list of questions for the interviewer. This is always a great image maker. This shows that you have invested your time on this particular interview and it also shows that you are a good professional. Do ask interviewers some of the questions. It is okay to ask your hiring manager if you do not understand something. At least it is better than answering the question in the incorrect way. It is always good to recheck on that particular question. Do not ramble. It is very important not to speak too fast and your rate of speech must be in your control. You know, when you are very nervous, your rate of speech might increase. Hence, answer the question with a proper tone, with a proper pause. So, don't rush, be calm and answer the question in a proper way. Don't ask too many generic questions. The person who is hiring you should not feel that you have not done your homework properly. It shows that you have lack of listening skills and also it shows that you have not done the research on the job profile properly. Don't bring in your personal life. The hiring manager doesn't want to know anything about your personal life, your relatives, your parents, anything about them. Just a brief information about that is fine. So just keep it very professional. It is also essential, important and imperative to bring some of the things to the interview and some of them are
You should always have enough resume copies, nice folder or a good handbag, not a worn out handbag, some copy or script for note writing. A water bottle is essential to have. Providing references is also something you should be ready with in case your hiring manager asks for it. Mouth freshener, because your mouth must not have a bad mouth odor while you are talking in front of your hiring manager. Contact information of you, like ID card or something, it always definitely help while going for an interview.